Hello guys, it's your guy Vierra from Vierra Manufacturing Services. Welcome back to my feed tutorial. Guys, in this tutorial we are going to be designing the VMS project 3. It's an exciting project. In this project we are going to be learning about many things, especially when it comes to the generation of the M and G codes. So let's get started. So let me just show you guys a drawing. Okay, so this is the final page. So we have page 1, page 2 and page 3. So let's get started. Okay, let me just put this down. Let me open the software. Okay, file, new, path. Okay, good. Let's see this. So firstly guys, one thing to note is dimensions are in inches. Secondly, we have a rectangle of length 3.7 inch. Oh, sorry, not 3.7. What is that length? Okay, good. A length of 3.98 inch and a width of 1.88. Again, with an extrusion of 0.75. So 3.98 and 1.88. Okay, let's get started. Top view. Top. Okay, good. Center rectangle. Okay, smart dimension. Good. 3.98. Oh, sorry, mistake. Always make sure, let me just scan this. The unit first. Unit in inches. Okay, sketch. Top view. Okay, center rectangle. Smart dimension. Sorry for that mistake. 3.89. Okay, I think this is 1.88. Okay, fine. With an extrusion of 0.75. Okay, all good. So let's check what's next. Okay, looking at the drawing, we have fillets. So we are going to be putting fillets later on. So let's just focus rapidly on this hole. So we have about 7 holes. I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, about 7 holes. It's even indicated here. So we are going to be putting some holes at random. Okay, from here to here, vertical. Okay, one thing I will do, I'll put this hole, this hole, this hole, this hole, and this one, and I'm gonna make all the others. So I need about, let's see this. Okay, sketch. Okay, just click on point over here. Let's display some holes. Okay, fine. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, good. So let me just put lines of center lines. Okay, good. Okay, fine. So making sure, just click on this, pressing Ctrl, and then click on this. It should be horizontal. Okay, fine. Same process. Right click, left click on this, press Ctrl, and then left click on this. Okay, fine. Horizontal. Okay, one thing. Okay, just press this, and again, Ctrl, hold, click on this, and then click on this center line and make symmetry. Okay, similar for this. Okay, symmetry. Okay, fine. Let's rapidly check the length. So from this point to this point, we have 3.7. Okay, 3.7, fine. And then its width is about 0.15. So 3.7, 0.15. Okay, smart dimension from here to here, 3.75. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna make is I'll use mirror entity. by selecting this point and equally this point, and I'm going to mirror, sorry, about the x-axis. So here you could see it. Okay, so as you notice, the curve or the sketch is not fully defined, reason being that this is not defined and this is not defined, so we have to define this. So let's look at this. So we need distance from here to here. Well, this distance is 3.7, so we have to edit it. Okay, the distance from here to here is 1.7, and then its width is 0.3. 1.7, 0.3. Okay, smart dimension from here to here, 1.7, and again from here to here, 0.3. This moment, this point to this point, 0.3. Okay, good. So let me just edit this. It's 3.7. Okay, all fine. So next thing, we have this particular point. It's at a distance 0.68, and from the from the y-axis to 2. So later on we have to rapidly do a fillet at each of the edges, fillet of 0.01. So let's do this. Just push this over here. Okay, smart dimension. So from this point to this distance, so we have 0.68. okay, fine. Okay, from this to this edge we have 2. Okay, it's all good. Okay, stop sketch. So let me just put the fillet directly. So we have a fillet of 0.01, 0.01. okay, around these edges. So let me just add this rapidly. Okay, make sure it's 4 edges selected. Okay, all good. Okay, perfect. So next we have to go over hole wizard, but before that, looking at the specification, we have 7 holes. Now we have 0.6. this is actually the custom size, then an extrusion of 0.58, and then this is actually the trade specification, sorry, the whole specification, and then the second extrusion. So let's do this. So hole wizard over here. Okay, so for sure this is already a tap hole, right? Remember, when there is 2 extrusion, we have a tap hole. So tap hole selected, make sure this is inch, this allow it constant. So over here it's already selected 1032, so fine. Otherwise just click here and select 1032. Okay, the constant size over here is 0.12. okay, fine. Blind, okay, 0.58. It appears here already because I did it before, so it's all fine. So just add the values over there, making sure thread get out be selected, and you should untick these 2. So all fine. Just go over position, 3D sketch. Okay, this point, just select the dots. Hope I selected the right dot. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay, good. Okay. Well, I think this. Okay. I think this is there. Good. Okay. So it's about 7. I think all fine. Okay. Cannot be. I think there's a problem. Seems there's an issue here. Custom size. Okay guys, the custom size is 0.16. sorry for that mistake. That's the custom size. Okay, all fine. Yeah, I think this should be good now. Okay, just go for the okay. Okay, it's fine now. Really sorry over that mistake. Okay, just a moment. Okay, good. So I think we are done with this one. Let's just compare. Okay, yeah, it's just perfect. So next drawing. So in the next drawing, we have actually to produce this particular extrusion, right? So we will first of all offset the rectangle by 0.3, and then we are going to try to produce this, noting that the length from here to there is 0.54. Then we have a, let's say, semicircle of radius 0.31, and equally the distance from the center point over here is 0.54. Then we are going to mirror this side over here, and then we'll look upon the down part. Okay, so let's do this first. Okay, so over here, sketch. Okay, offset. Just put 0.3. Okay, or fine. So just try to select. Good, just select. Okay, perfect. Reverse. Okay. So one thing I'm gonna do is just select line command. Just select anywhere over there. Okay, fine. Trim. I'm gonna use trim entity. I'm gonna trim this place. Okay, good. You understand why I'm doing this letter. Okay, so this is done. So line command, select this point, go back to this point, then you notice an arc comes out. So guys, please can you observe again? Line command selected, just come over this point. Actually, do not press on it, right? Yeah, just press on it. Selected, see it's selected, right? So just come back over it. As you notice, an arc is being produced, or a semicircle. So okay, then extend it up to the center line. Fine. Now the distance from this point, according to the diagram, is 0.54. Yeah. Okay, so this distance of this arc is 0.31. Okay, good. And now this, okay, it's fully defined over here. So let me just delete this. Okay, let me define first this particular length. 4. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's fine, right? All fine. I'll just add this here. Okay. So right now, what I'm gonna do is, one thing I could do is, just complete this. Okay, mirror entity. I'm gonna mirror this. Sorry guys, center line first. Okay, construction, mirror entity. This point, mirror by y-axis, perfect. Trim entity. Okay, so one thing you could do is just trim this part. Okay, you see, so when the sketch is totally blue, it means it's actually close, right? And it's fully defined, definitely. So this curve is fully defined. So we are done with this particular place. So what's next is this particular place. So the length from this point to this point is 1.05. Then the line is inclined at 45 degrees, as you have seen. Then we have, a curve of radius 0.19, and equally this line is 0.35. So let's just try this rapidly. Okay, and then it has an extrusion of 0.5 or 0.05. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so line command selected. Okay, just select any point here, just incline it. Okay, fine. Just go, then come back, then an arc. Okay, then just click over there and then up to the edge. Okay, fine. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this point, hold control, select this particular point, and then select the center line and make symmetry. Okay, oh, fine. Very important to do this, guys. Next, I'm gonna define you know, this particular line, or let's say, what can I do? Okay, one thing, trim first, guys. Trim entity, trim this portion, yes, and this portion, good. So smart dimension, so this line should be 1.05 as per the drawing. Again, select this line, and again this particular line, it should be at 45 degrees. Perfect. The length should be at 0.73, good. And this angle, oh sorry, this radius should be at 0.19. Okay, perfect. It's fully defined. As you notice, it's fully defined. So, and you know, it's blue, meaning that the curve or the drawing is close. So when it's blue, it means it's properly done and it's ready for extrusion or any further process. So stop sketch. So we are going to extrude it downward by 0.5. Okay, extrusion, let me just select the sketch with sketch selected, of course. Okay, extrude cut. Okay, by 0.5. Perfect. Okay, okay, let's move on. So looking at the drawing, we are almost there. Okay, what's new? Okay, I think we are done with this drawing, guys. Okay, let's go to the last part of the drawing. So in this portion, what we are expected to do is produce this cut art. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna offset it by 0.3. Then you, okay, yeah, we just have to offset it, and then we have to extrude it again by 0.5. Later on, we have to add some fillets. Okay, let's do this first, then we add fillets. Okay, let's look at this. So click on the surface, sketch. Okay, offset command. Okay, just select, it's already 0.3 selected. Okay, select this point, let's say this point. Oh no, this point is not selecting. Okay, just repeat back the command. Let's select, you know, one by one. Okay, repeat back offset. Okay, fine. So just click on fillet. Okay, fillet command. Select this line and then this line. You see it produces a curve or a dome, so of 0.19. Okay, perfect. It's already fully defined, but as you notice, as per the diagram, it's, you know, it's touching this edge. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use extend command. So just draw a line, you know, outside this place, any length. Okay, good. So use extend command. You see, when I just touch it, it extends right up to this line. Perfect. So delete back this line. Use trim entity and just trim this. Oh no. Okay. One thing, select this particular line. Come over here, convert entity. Click on convert entity. Fine. It converts the line. So now just come again. Trim entity, delete this portion and delete this portion. All fine. Okay, I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay, so extrude cut. Okay, 0.5, good. Something, there's an issue. We got an issue. Let's look at this. Delete. Yes. Okay. Okay. Trim entity. You know, trim equally this outer portion, making sure that the you know, the sketch should become blue. Okay, this trim. So it's better now. Okay, feature. extrude cut. Okay, by 0.5, good. Okay, it's just perfect. It's perfect, señorita. It's just perfect. So we are moving on. So hide this sketch, hide, fine. So okay, we are almost done. So looking at the diagram, we got some, fillets of 0.2, yeah, fillets of 0.2 all around these edges. So let's put this rapidly. Okay, fillet command 0.2, is it 0.02 or 0.2 only? Let me just take this. 0.2, exactly 0.2. Okay, fillet of 0.2. Okay, let me just take full preview. Select this edge, this edge. Okay, let's be fast, this edge. Okay, all perfect. Okay, all good. So let's look at the diagram. So look at the diagram, we are done, but I can see, chamfers all over the surface, so we have to add surface chamfer. So just looking down here, all undefined chamfer equals to 0.01 inch. So any chamfer undefined, we are going to be taking it as 0.01 inch. So let's do this. Okay, chamfer 0.01. Okay. Oh, as you notice, when I select the surface, unfortunately for me, it equally selects the inner circle, which I don't want. So just unselect this rapidly. Okay, just select, these edges, all fine. Again, try to select this place. Select one after the other. Okay, all good too. So just revolve this, select this surface. Oh, perfect, just perfect, good. I think it's it. Okay, I think we are done. So let's look at the diagram. Okay, I think, do we have a chamfer here? Let me just look at this. Yeah, there's a chamfer equally here. So let's just add this chamfer. Okay, this point, good, perfect. Okay, done. We are done, Carol. We are all done, guys. We are done. It's an exciting project. One thing more, guys, we have to add the material rapidly. This is aluminium 6061, so I'm gonna add this rapidly. Okay, material, right click, edit. So 6061 aluminium, TS, apply, close. So next thing, just select the body, appearance, body. It's kind of green, so green. Okay, so it's fine. So in the next tutorial, we are going to be speaking about the generation of the M&G code. Guys, kindly motivate me, like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much, guys.